Hi everyone, this is Andrew Wright, and today for the ESP 5383 or Anatomy and Functions of the Visual System course for the fall 2021 semester, I will be discussing 18 different structures of the eyeball for you. I hope you enjoy. Okay everyone, so here we have the diagram of the eye. We're first going to start off with the sclera right here, which is the white outer part of the eyeball. Then we'll move up to the choroid, which is the vascular middle layer of the wall of the eye that brings blood and nutrients to the eyeball. Go over here to the conjunctiva, which is a really clear, thin membrane that covers part of the front surface of the eye and inner surface of the eyelid. It protects the eye and helps keep dirt out. And interesting fact, it is what prevents contacts from going behind your eye. We're going to move down here to the cornea. And all these structures highlighted in yellow right here are part of the anterior eye segment, and one that is not shown is the trabecular meshwork. So we'll go back to the cornea. The cornea is the clear front of the eye that transmits and focuses light going into the eye. And then number 5, we have the aqueous right here, which is a liquid made by the ciliary body that provides oxygen and nutrients to the avascular parts of the cornea and lens. It really also helps in the refraction of light waves going through into the cornea. Going back up to the pupil. The pupil is a dark center of the iris that changes size to let more or less light in. Going to then move up here to the canal of Schlemm, which is the canal for the aqueous to drain out of the eye and back into the venous system. And then we're going to move to the iris, which is the colored part of the eyeball, and it helps regulate the amount of light entering the eye by dilating and constricting the pupil. Go down to the ciliary body right here. This is the muscle behind the iris that focuses the lens and produces the aqueous. And we'll move up to the lens right here, which it focuses light onto the retina. It is transparent and it can be replaced as we age because it gets more brittle. Back down here to the suspensory ligament. This just holds or suspends the lens in place. And then we can move up here to the ora serrata, which is a junction between the retina and the ciliary body right here. And it is just more of a junction border between the complex retina right here and down into the ciliary body. Then we'll go back to the vitreous, number 13. This is the vitreous all up in here. And this is a gelatinous fluid that makes up most of the eye. And it is just found in the inner cavity of the eyeball. And all of these structures here labeled in pink actually part of the posterior segment of the eye, along with the retinal vasculature, which is not shown in this diagram. We'll then go down to the retina, which is the layer of nerves inside the eye that senses light and transfers as electrical impulses. Go out here at number 15 to the macula. And this is the area on the retina that contains special light-sensitive cells that allows us to see sharp and clear, and they'll eventually reach into the brain. Number 16, we have this fovea centralis, and this is the center of the macula that provides for sharp vision. Then have the optic disc or the blind spot, which is where the optic nerve forms and creates a little blind spot in your eye. And lastly but not least, we have the optic nerve. This is a bundle of nerve fibers that carries the visual messages from the retina to the brain. And this is my joke for you. What did one eye say to the other? Between you and I, something smells. So, hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.